All right, we're back. We're back. Sorry for the wait, ladies and gentlemen. We have to wait for the auctions to end. This is break 653. 653, three boxes of Mosaic Hobby. So hopefully we can end some basketball on fire. We have one more break that's listed on eBay for tonight. That is going to be the UEFA soccer. However, there are still two breaks that are basically, we're trying to fill them and do them if we can. But if we can't, we will roll them over to next weekend. So check them out. They are on our website, waxzonebreaks.com or waxzonesports.com. Either or will take you there. You can buy the spots, the RPYT, either on our website or through eBay. It's up to you. Different discount codes and whatnot. And if for some reason you don't want to wait till next weekend, just send us a message. We'll be happy to refund your money. But if you can hang in there, we'll do it next weekend. So
Can I add to that? Can I add to that?
Was I gonna say no? I don't have the mute button here, so sure, go ahead, buddy.
So
Have
just
at it.
just so you guys know, if we don't sell those two out, what we'll do for next week is we'll probably just list the remaining teams that did not sell out as auctions, just so obviously we don't have to keep it waiting. So thank you for those that purchased the spot. I think baseball has like 22 teams remaining, and soccer has 21 teams remaining. So still plenty of time to go tonight, though. So
All
back
right,
to you.
back to me.
Yeah.
Well, I have a little announcement I need to make a la eBay, and that is that no purchase or payment is necessary to enter or win. Reference the sweepstakes link that includes the rules and regulations within our listing. All right, here we go. Break 653. Enough with the bullshit. Let's pull some fire. If you're in chat, please like, follow, subscribe. Also, call out your teams, call out your players. Let's have some fun. Let's see who we're hunting for other than the usual obvious subjects. If you are still looking for a soccer fix, the soccer team, the UEFA, are ending right now. So, good luck to everyone. What's up, Nick? What's up, Hogo? Go Bulls, the balls. Williams looking for Jovic. Jovic, which would mean Miami Heat. All right, we got Bulls. We got Jovic. We got a little bit of action. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.
Also, if any of you like double paid for shipping or anything like that, you didn't wait for like the combined invoice. We will refund you on the back end before we ship, so we'll probably be taking care of that tomorrow. Just refunding here and there, just like we did last week.
Post-production, guys. Post-production.
Post-production fixes.
A lot happens after we say goodnight. What's
All right.
up? Rob Blob. Love it. Rob Blob.
Ooh, appreciate you watching.
Let's go. I appreciate it, sir.
You have fire. I don't know if my fire button is
Yeah,
fixed or
yeah,
not.
no shit. Our fire may or may not be working. We don't know yet. All right, here we go. Let's go. I got my Jordan hat on. I'm ready. Dieng for the Thunder rookie. We got Nemhard rookie. A Pascal Siakam silver. How about a Patrick Williams pink mosaic? That's going to be out of 149.
What did you call him?
What?
You call him Patrick Williams?
Oh, did I?
Yep.
Shit. Robert Williams. 58 of 149. My bad. 58 of 1. Listen, like it's
not picking up.
Not like it usually does.
It's working though. I can see it every time you move.
Okay.
See, look.
Right. Paul George, montage, mosaic. You say so.
Oh, I would tell you.
Oh, okay. Kennedy Chandler for the Grizzlies rookie. Christian Koloko for the Raptors rookie. Trey Man mosaic for the OKC. A red mosaic rookie for the Grizz. For Kennedy Chandler. Jeremy Sohan. Rookie
And he
introduction.
gets so much love in Poland, dude.
Of course, because he's part Polish. He's gonna get that love.
His mama.
Kocham cię. Jaden Ivey, Pistons. Mac McClung. The Sixers rookie. And nice. I don't know why this is backwards. Is it just because it's a variation?
Oh,
Variation? No.
looks like.
Like a V or something. But Mosaic rookie of Wendell Moore Jr. for the T-Wolves. That maybe it's just backwards because of the Max Strush purple out of 99. 98 of 99. Just for whatever reason, like when I get too close, I guess. Max Strush. Breakaway Jalen Williams. Ooh, nice. Ja Morant breakaway Mosaic. Love me some Ja.
All card chip. That was random.
Yeah, just all card chip. Nothing else to say. We love him here, guys. David Roddy, rookie. Ryan Rollins, rookie. Kyle Lowry, silver. Aaron Gordon for Denver, red Mosaic. How about an overdrive KD for the Phoenix Suns? These are beautiful overdrive mosaics. Crack yourself up.
I do, yeah, I definitely.
AJ Griffin for the Hawks. Ken Lofton Jr. for the Grizz. Brandon Ingram for the Pelicans. Mosaic. A red mosaic of Jalen Suggs for the Orlando Magic. Steph, Nikola Jokic. All right.
Because in my head, there were so many things that played out of why that just happened. Like, you know, I can tell people that I just have a random teleprompter that just says, yell this out. Oh,
gotcha.
Look at that.
How about a white Darius Garland for the Cleveland Cavaliers, ranked as one of the
fireworks.
That's 13 of 25. White mosaic. Love the white mosaic. We got a gold. We got some gold. Introductions Hardy. LeBron James, notoriety mosaic. Old King. How about a Chet Holmgren rookie for the Thunder? Dalen Terry for the Chicago Bulls rookie. Nikola Vucevic rookie mosaic for the Chicago Bulls. Go Bulls. Josh Hart, New York Knicks, red mosaic. The Bulls, definitely. Ooh, nice. A purple Benedict Mathurin rookie introductions. A lot of nice Indiana cards out of 99. 76 out of 99. Of Indiana. Let's try to sneak out. Tyrese Martin rookie for the Hawks. And we have a Caleb Houston rookie autograph. She was the other Orlando guy. Caleb Houston, Orlando. Rookie auto. They're not numbered. Rookie mosaic auto. Congrats. Go from the back here because I want to see what this. LeBron James montage mosaic. Benedict Mathurin breakaway rookie. Not a rookie, right? Gold. Onyeka. Oh, well, first of all, silver Colin Sexton. Onyeka Okongwu. Gold mosaic out of 10. 5 of 10. Gold mosaic. We knew wasn't a rookie because. Keep it going. Oh, we had a gold. We had a white in this box. Pretty good box. A rookie auto.
Good box.
A couple of purples, actually. Peyton Watson for the Nuggets. Johnny Davis for the Wizards. Herbie Jones, silver for the Pelicans. There's that Nikola Jokic. He's looking for Jovic. Never mind. That red Nikola Jokic. Notoriety Luka. There's a straight fire Nikola Jokic again. Mosaic. Yeah. Sure. We have Terry East. Oops, missed Jeremy Sochan, rookie. Terry Eason, rookie. And a Kelly Olynyk for the Jazz, Mosaic. MPJ, red Mosaic for the Denver Nuggets. There's a Paulo Banchero, base rookie. A Jake LaRavia, Grizzlies rookie. And a Jalen Duran for the Pistons, silver rookie. Rookie, Mosaic. All right, that was box one. Not a bad box. Like I said, we got some nice color. We got some purples. Okay. Here. I was meaning to tell you. You know how you take pictures for the reels?
Yeah.
You know the names are always covered, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I'm probably not gonna use the stands.
I was gonna say, I'm like Alex, cool. Who was that? You never know who that was. All right, let's go. Box two.
Probably just gonna do them on add-ons.
It was just funny.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Thanks for paying attention to the details.
I do. I mean, you put effort into it. I'm gonna watch it.
Tyler's still here. I want to know if Josh Lynette is like thinking about getting something because he's like, I'm tempted. Where did he leave us?
Like a personal, you mean?
No,
Personal baseball. We do have the one straggler baseball, right? Isn't that? We have one straggler. What was it? The one we just broke, right?
Yeah.
The Bowman Chrome. Bowman Chrome. Call out your teams. Call out your players if you haven't. Come on, I'm looking for Jovic. I'm looking for more Bulls. We have Rob Blob, who is just cheering everybody on, looking for fire. So thank you for that. Ooh, that's a nice card. That's a nice one.
That is a nice.
Hot card. Hot cards incoming. Get them while they're hot. Get them while they're hot. All right. Let's go. I was after. Oh, man, I got you, man. Kennedy Chandler, rookie. Christian Coloco, rookie. Patrick Baldwin, silver rookie for the Warriors. And a Jose Alvarado, blue mosaic out of 199 for the Pelicans. That's 56 out of 199.
Oh, isn't that the guy that
always like
runs up on everybody?
Yeah, runs. Yeah. How about a Dame Lillard montage mosaic?
He's hilarious.
Sneaky man. Jaden Ivey for the Pistons rookie. McClurg for the Sixers rookie. A Tyrese Halliburton mosaic for the Pacers. A red mosaic for Grayson Allen, Milwaukee Bucks. Introductions, Keegan Murray. And a nice Stairmaster Mosaic Klay Thompson. Have Johnny Davis for the Wizards, rookie. And our auto is going to be low numbered out of 25. 24 out of 25 for the Milwaukee Bucks. That's a collage mosaic Drew Holiday autograph to 25. 24 to 25. Low numbered. Very nice. Jalen Brunson, silver. A Trey Mann, pink. Going to be out of 149. 54 to 149. And a breakaway Jaden Ivey rookie. There you go, Mosaic. Right, Jaden Ivey, Mosaic, breakaway. A.J. Griffin for the Hawks, rookie. A Kenny Lofton Jr. for the Grizzlies, rookie. Derek White, silver. A red Josh Christopher Mosaic for the Houston Rockets. Nice red match. Introductions, Jalen Williams, rookie for the OKC. And, oh, yeah, there you go. Stained glass Steph Curry. Very nice. Congratulations. Golden State. Nice Dubs hit. Stained glass Steph Curry. Nice box again. Ousmane Dieng rookie. And Andrew Nembhard for the Pacers rookie. Spencer Dinwiddie Mosaic for Brooklyn. A Ryan Rollins for the Warriors red Mosaic rookie. Jalen Green, John Morant. Jake LaRavia, rookie. Jeremy Sochin, rookie. Gary Trent Jr., Mosaic. Derek White, red Mosaic. Jaden Ivey, notoriety. A Dalen Terry for the Chicago Bulls, rookie. Paulo Banchero, base rookie. Markelle Fultz, silver. And a nice Jaden Ivey. Ooh, that's nice. Blue Mosaic rookie for the Pistons out of 199. 59 of 199. Nice hit. Stairmasters, Dame Lillard, Mosaic. Tyrese Martin for the Hawks. There's a Chet, rookie. Dyer Williams, Mosaic. A red Mosaic, Shadion Sharp for the Trailblazers. There you go. Nice red. Red background, red Mosaic. These are not numbered, but that's still a nice rookie for Shadion Sharp, Portland. Hit. Jaden Ivey, montage. That was a nice. We have a purple coming up. We have Patrick Baldwin Jr. for the Dubs. Jalen Williams for the Thunder. A Grizzlies Mosaic rookie for the Jake LaRavia. And a Mike Conley purple Mosaic for the Timberwolves out of 99. It's going to be 4 out of 99. 4 out of 99, Mike Conley for the Minnesota Timberwolves. And a nice Shadion Sharp Mosaic introductions, another Portland hit. There you go. Franzen. Franza. Terry Eason, Rockets, rookie. Peyton Watson, Nuggets, rookie. A Jordan Clarkson, silver. A red mosaic rookie of Mark Williams for the Hornets. There you go. And some nice red rookies. Ooh, and a nice razzle dazzle. Jalen Williams for OKC. Another short print. There you go. Jalen Williams, razzle dazzle. Razzle dazzle. All right, I was 17 that Jovic. I'm sorry. Let's get that Jovic for our man. He asked for it. I'm losing my touch. Come on, Jovic. Jovic auto right here. What side am I doing? All right, guys and gals, thank you so much for joining. If you're new to our channel, please like, follow, subscribe. We do have some more. We have a soccer break that's ending right now for the UEFA. What is it called? UEFA
Finest.
No, but there's no other word out. There's just finest. That's it.
Something called Champions League.
Yeah, something.
Club competition.
That's the one, club competition. But anyway, UEFA Finest. That's ending right now on eBay. If you're looking for a little soccer action, if you're looking for some baseball action, there's 2 breaks still listed on our website. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Well, one baseball, one soccer on Wax Zone Breaks or WaxZoneSports.com. You can check that out. You can buy the spots. It's PYT either through eBay or through our website. Use some of the coupon codes, whatever you can. Well, if we don't sell it out this week, next week we'll just sell whatever teams didn't sell out just as a auction on eBay. So we'll break that next week if we don't sell today. Jalen Williams, Thunder. Tyrese Martin, Hawks. Tyrese Martin, silver. Hawks rookie. Nice Ant-Man blue mosaic out of 199. That's 30 out of 199. Ant-Man. Alrighty. Stairmasters mosaic for the Sixers, James Harden. Caleb Houston rookie for the Magic. Patrick Baldwin rookie for the Warriors. Drew Holiday for Milwaukee mosaic. A Davion Mitchell red mosaic for the Kings. Stairmasters Jalen Brunson for the Knicks. That's a purple. That's going to be out of 99. 66 of 99. Purple insert Stairmasters for the Knicks. And a Diabate rookie. And hey, what? Okay, well, he was a great player. Auto is out of 49. Blue mosaic pictograph. Jason Williams for the Kings. The baller. He's a hooper.
That's cool.
Jason Williams for the Sacramento Kings pictographs out of 48 of 49. Al Kuzma silver. Dennis Schroeder pink mosaic out of 149. 125 of 149. A Jalen Duran introductions mosaic for Detroit.
We do have Mosaic Fast Break if anyone's interested in personals, and we'll be breaking those next week as well.
Paolo Banchero, rookie. Jake LaRavia for the Grizzlies, rookie. Silver Kawhi.
Follow.
Denny Avdia, red Mosaic for the Wizards. Introductions, Jalen Duran. A straight fire Mosaic KD for Phoenix. Chet Holmgren, base rookie for OKC. Dalen Terry for the Bulls. Patrick Beverly for the Bulls, Mosaic. Klay Thompson, red Mosaic for the Dubs. Come on, let's finish strong here. What do we got in here? What do we got in here? We have a Jabari Smith Jr. base rookie for the Rockets. Walker Kessler for the Jazz. Silver Steph Curry. A blue out of 199, blue Mosaic Al Horford for the Boston Celtics. That's going to be 191 of 199. A Mosaic Kevin Durant montage. A Nikola Jovic. Was? Oh, Randy Moss. Oh. I didn't know Williams was Randy Moss's teammate. I did not know that. What's up, T-Bone? There's a Jovic, finally. A Jalen Williams. Cameron Thomas, Mosaic. P.J. Tucker, red Mosaic for the Sixers. Jadion Sharp, introductions, rookie for Portland.
We just found
Yeah.
T-Bone likes fun facts.
T-Bone likes fun facts. I like fun facts, T-Bone. Do it. Blake Wesley, rookie. I did not know that he played. First of all, I didn't know that. I didn't know that Williams played football. Period. Wendell Moore Jr. rookie. A Terry Eason Mosaic rookie for the Rockets. How about a James Purple Harden? Purple Harden. And that is 64 of 99. 64 of 99. And a Tyrese Herberton. Tyrese Herberton breakaway Mosaic. Final stack. Ooh. That one before. That must be an insert. Thought it was something else for a second. Max Christie, rookie for the Lakers. Malachi Branham, rookie for the Spurs. Malik Monk, silver. A red Jalen Suggs, Mosaic. AJ Griffin, introductions. The Hawks. And a Keegan Murray Storm Chaser. I almost thought it was a 1-of-1 because it was black.
You saw the black?
Yeah, I was like, whoa, rookie black. Are you kidding me? Nice. Kings, another nice hit. Storm Chasers, black. That's sweet. Williams was a quarterback? How tall is Williams? Jaden Hardy for the Mavs rookie. Jordan Goodwin for the Wizards. A Mosaic Kyrie Irving. A red Malik Beasley Mosaic for the Lakers. Jaden Ivey breakaway. All right, that's that. Let's recap. All right, here we go. We had a pink Robert Williams to 149. 58 of 149. A purple Max Strush for Miami Heat. That's out of 99. 98 of 99. We had a purple Mathurin insert introductions out of 99. 76 of 99. A blue out of 199 Jose Alvarado. 56 of 199. A pink Trey Mann out of 149. 54 out of 149. A Jaden Ivey rookie blue Mosaic. That is 59 of 199. A purple Mike Conley. A lot of purples. 4 out of 99. A blue Ant-Man out of 199. 30 of 199. A pink Dennis Schroeder out of 149. 125 of 149. A blue Al Horford out of 199. 191 out of 199. A purple James Harden. 64 out of 99. We did get some nice inserts, though. We got a gold Onyeka Okongwu out of 10. That's 5 of 10 for Atlanta. A white Mosaic Darius Garland for Cleveland. 13 of 25. A Razzle Dazzle of Jalen Williams. OKC. A stained glass Steph Curry for the Dubs. On high in West Virginia. Oh, shit. And our autos were Pictograph Blue. Jason Williams. Blue Jason Williams Mosaic out of 49. 48 of 49. A beautiful rookie autograph of Caleb Houston for Orlando Magic. And out of 25, the collage Mosaic Drew Holiday for the Milwaukee Bucks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for participating in break 654. No, three. We have break 655 coming up next because 654 is the website break. So we'll be right back with 655.
Thanks, everyone.